If you don't have the LDAC option in Bluetooth settings on your Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, then the reason why you might not have this option, despite your Bluetooth device having LDAC, might be due to an app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. For example, for my earbuds, I have installed this app where I can set up some things for my earbuds, change some things, and one of the settings that I can find in here in earbud settings is the sound quality. And in here I have the connection quality set as the priority. And this is the reason why I don't have LDAC. If I switch to the sound quality, and over here I also have the audio codec, which is currently selected, but if I go back to Bluetooth settings and reopen these settings, you will see that now I do have LDAC. So what you want to do is you want to check your app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device, check earbud settings or check sound quality settings, and make sure that the sound quality is actually the priority. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.